Hello everybody. Today I want to do a short video about a new knife I bought, the Nordic Knife Design Forest 100 2001 edition. That is basically the, well, let's say their basic model in this lineup. And well, I bought it, so I thought let's do an unboxing first and then have a closer look. The knife is made in Finland. It's done by the former owner or co-owner of Brisa or Enzo, and he started his own company and started making Nordic Knife Design knives, and they look a lot like the Brisa knives and the Enzo knives, so you'll see a lot of similar design there. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Yeah, I don't know, let's see where to open it. All right. Yeah, okay, so it's in plastic. Ooh, careful there. Okay, that's in the box. We have a sheet, let's see. All right, very decent. Piece of paper. Let me read that. Handle the sharp knife with care, keep the knife clean, dry, blah, blah, blah. And made in Finland. All right, so that comes in the box, and that's that. So we're gonna have a closer look, but first let me explain the idea. So we're gonna do 4 knives, or I wanna compare 4 knives in use, and I thought it was interesting to look at 4 different steels in about the same price range. And I'll get to that later, but this is a €125 knife. You can get it for 160 at Lemnia, but this knife is made out of 80 chrome V2 steel. Yes? Okay, so let's have a closer look. We can see from the get-go that it has a nice curly birch handle. It has a nice contour, nice swell in the middle, a little bit of a finger thing here, Scandi grind, a little bit of a drop point there, very thick blade, and it goes all the way to a sharp point. We'll be testing that later. And it has sort of like a brass pins. All in all, the back, it doesn't have anything sticking out, so it's nice and clean, no lanyard hole, but it feels very comfortable. So let's go over some numbers. The height of the blade is about 2.8 centimeters or 1.1 inch. It has a 10 centimeter blade, 10.2, which is about 4 inch. The thickness is 4.2 millimeters, and that is really thick. The handle is 11.5 centimeters, which is 4.5 inch, and that is nice and decent. I got pretty big hands, but I still have some space left, so that is really nice. It's about 160 grams. That is not too heavy, so this is with 160 very decent. Curly birch. The sheath is leather, and it's got a dangler, which is a nice added feature. The leather is nice and thick and feels really smooth, so I think that is a quality there. Let's see the retention. Oh, it's still new, so well, it's really nice, tight. Oh, yeah, all right. So that's pretty decent as well. So considering for about 125 euros, you can get it for 160 at Lemnia. That's a really decent price. It is 23-degree angle grind. It's 58 on the Rockwell scale. And I think that is all about what I can say. For comparison, a Mora Companion, of course, the knife that everybody knows, and in the same steel, and that's why I bought it actually, this is the Yakari Puko that I was talking about, the one with the 11 centimeter blade. This is also made in 80 chrome V2 steel, and there's a lot of YouTube clips of people beating the crap out of this knife, and just in comparison you can see that the Forest knife is a little bit more refined But I'm curious how the steel performs in comparison to other steels. So we have the block with the 4 steels, and this one will be the 80 Chrome V2 steel in the shape of a Nordic Knife Design. Okay, so there will be a video where I review all 4 knives in real life use, and with the 4 different steels, and I'm curious to see what steel in this price range performs the best. So I've got D2, 80 Chrome V2 steel, Sleipner steel, and 14C28 steel. Alright, so in conclusion, I think it's a really beautiful knife. I'm curious how it will perform, and I see you next time in another video. Maybe one of these knives, or maybe the video that I test them all. Alright, thanks for watching.